17th pre-competitive skill test. There the people shall have some safety that they will get a hearing, and if offences are not really offences, then they should be prosecuted, full stop. Otherwise, comma, they will be acquitted, full stop. Here the minister says that there should be a security post, full stop. If there is a violation of a particular provision of the enactment, comma, then executive authority shall have the power either to confiscate part of the account or the whole of the amount, full stop. We are clothing the executive authority with more powers, full stop. I did not grudge giving powers to the executive authority, provided they are used properly and effectively in fair manners, full stop. But fortunately there have been discriminations apart from the ineffectiveness of the various provisions, full stop. New paragraph. But unfortunately the spirit of it cannot be understood or appreciated by the common men in this country, full stop. So one old orientation of this policy was gone, full stop. And the Honorable Chief Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the future policy of the country, or rather the future pattern of society, will be a socialist pattern, full stop. This was further emphasized by the declaration passed at that session and later reiterated by President of the Indian National Congress, full stop. The alliance urged the Punjab government to regard civil society and stakeholders' voices and reverse the effort to pass another regressive legislation akin to them, full stop. New paragraph. For us, the fundamental moralities of the Constitution have declared that a citizen would be assured of many of the social amenities which will give reasonable comfort, full stop. But unless enunciation, comma, as I have said many a time, will not satisfy the common man, comma, unless this saying is put into effect, full stop. I am absolutely certain, therefore, comma, that so long as there is determination on part of our countrymen, we will be in a position to secure a socialistic pattern of society, full stop. It is not even possible to draw up a plan on any other basis, full stop. It called for the defamation bill to be scrapped entirely, comma, demanding to not sign the bill, full stop. It said that attempts to address disinformation and hate speech on online platforms should be initiated with inclusive consultations, full stop.